Meaning of elegiac couplet.
Elegiac couplet.
Elegiac couplet.
Elegiac couplet.
Elegiac couplet. An elegiac couplet is a poetic form consisting of two lines, the first of which is written in dactylic hexameter and the second in pentameter. This form was commonly used by ancient Greek and Roman poets for elegies, which are poems of mourning or lamentation. The use of this couplet creates a mournful and melancholic tone, which is ideal for expressing a sense of loss or reflection on the past. The form has since been used by poets throughout history to evoke a sense of sadness and nostalgia.